Imagine there's a major storm rolling through your town. The power stays on, but your internet goes out. You do the smart thing. You grab your Roku remote to check the local news via your antenna, the one thing that is supposed to work without a web connection. But instead of the news, you get a spinning loading circle or a blank screen. For thousands of Roku users lately, this hasn't just been a what if, it's been a massive headache. But today, we finally have some good news to share. Roku has officially addressed a bug that made watching free local TV nearly impossible without the internet, and a fix is finally on the way. The problem? If you've been out of the loop, here is what happened. Over the last year, Roku integrated its over-the-air antenna channels directly into their live TV app. On paper, it's a great idea. It mixes your local ABC, CBS, Fox and NBC stations with Roku's free streaming channels in one easy guide. The problem? A recent software update accidentally tied those two things too closely together. The app started requiring a handshake with Roku's servers just to open the guide. If your internet was down, the TV couldn't talk to the servers, which meant it wouldn't show you your antenna channels either. It essentially turned your high-tech Roku TV into a brick for local news exactly when you needed it most. The fix is here. According to the latest reports, Roku has finally acknowledged that this was an unintended bug caused by a recent OS update. They realized that free TV needs to stay truly free and, more importantly, independent of your ISP. The fix is being deployed as a software patch. This update is designed to decouple the tuner functions from the internet-heavy features. This means that even if your router is unplugged or your neighborhood is facing a total broadband blackout, your Roku TV should once again recognize that coaxial signal and let you watch your local stations without a hitch. How to get the update? So how do you make sure your TV is actually fixed? Even though Roku devices usually update automatically overnight, you don't want to wait if you've been dealing with this bug. You'll want to force a manual update. Grab your remote, head to your home screen and scroll down to Settings. From there, go to System Warashne and then System Update. Even if the screen says your software is up to date, go ahead and click Check Now. This will force the TV to ping the servers and grab the latest patch containing the antenna fix. If you're using a Roku-powered TV from brands like TCL, Hisense or Sharp, this applies to you as well. Once the update is installed, I recommend doing a quick restart from the system menu just to make sure everything is running fresh. This is a huge win for the cord-cutting community. We talk a lot about the newest streaming apps and price hikes, but the antenna remains the most reliable way to get high-quality TV for free in the US. It's good to see Roku listening to the feedback and restoring a feature that is, frankly, a safety essential for many households. But I want to hear from you. Did this bug drive you crazy during the recent storms? Have you downloaded the update yet, and did it solve the problem for you? Let me know in the comments. And while you're there, hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on all things cord cutting.